Hey Slime Squad! Today I'm testing some different no glue and water slime recipes to find out what works. Okay, this first slime calls for some dish soap, so I'm just going to put some dish soap in my bowl. Next it calls for about 2 tablespoons sugar. And then I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Then the recipe says to put it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, let's do that and check back on it later. Okay, for this next slime recipe, I'm going to start with some color pigment, but this is totally optional. Next, I'm going to add about a half a cup of water and then mix the color in really well. I love this orange pigment. Now I'm going to add some flour a little at a time and mix it until I get the right consistency. I put a little too much flour, so I had to add some more water. Just play around with the amounts until it becomes like a dough. On the plus side, if you use food coloring instead of pigment powder, you can make an orange pizza. Now for toothpaste slime. I put in a nice dollop of toothpaste in my bowl, and to that I'm adding some 3-in-1 shampoo. I think this recipe calls for about twice as much shampoo as toothpaste. Now I'm going to stir these together. I don't see anything happening yet, so I added some more shampoo. This isn't good. I've tried this recipe before and it worked really well. I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know if the fact that it was really humid when I tried this affected the outcome, but this time it just didn't work. For this next slime, I'm starting out with body wash and then I'm adding an equal part of 3-in-1 shampoo. Let me just say, I love this holographic background. Hello! It's so cool looking. But anyway, back to the slime. I mixed these together really well and it was just too runny, so I added more body wash. Check it out, it's actually coming together. It's a little sticky, but guys, I think this worked. I think this is slime. Let me know what you think. This slime recipe calls for some shampoo and some salt. I'm just adding a pinch of salt. After adding the salt, I just stirred and it does seem to be thickening a little, but not enough, so I added some more salt and stirred it in. Now it looks like it's coming together much better. I'm not sure how well this worked. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, it's been 24 hours. Let's check in on the dish soap slime recipe. It feels a little slimy. Definitely thicker than yesterday, but no, this definitely didn't work. Fake.